Thank you for your interest in this property. If this property doesn't interest you, we can show you any property listed with any company. You will fall in love with this cute Northeast Brainerd home. Located on a corner lot, directly across from Gustafson Park, this yard has been professionally maintained. Features include an open floor plan, 3 bedrooms on the main floor, newer appliances, original hardwood floors, a mud room with deck opening to the fully fenced-in backyard, central air, a 4th bedroom and basement with egress window, family room and basement, large laundry room with 3/4 bathroom, lots of storage, maintenance-free siding, and close to Garfield School. Take a look today while you still have a chance.